you're gonna want to be on this side. Say hi.
Hi. Hi.
You're gonna want to be on this side because look, the light is behind you. So you're gonna want to switch to like right there, and then we'll be able to see really well.
Oh, right here.
Mm-hmm.
Oh man.
So I'll try to.
Are we
You're live. You're live.
Oh, we're already live?
You're live.
It's not a good start. Wait, how many viewers do we have already?
Oh, I don't know. This is just on my page, so.
Cool.
Regular page.
So you do the talking.
Okay. Can you guys see okay?
Yeah, can you move it towards me a little bit?
I'm gonna try and put it in the middle.
I'm gonna move my...
Okay. So
You
sit
don't
next
even
to
have a
each other.
viewer. Okay. Which is a good thing.
Oop.
Wait till we can't be in. We have one
I'll scoot it.
viewer.
I'm just waiting for you. I'm just
We
waiting
have
for
one
you.
viewer. We have 0. No, we have 1.
You have one? Okay, good. Everybody's in?
Yes.
Okay, I don't know how long it'll last because my battery's almost dead, but ooh,
0 because we didn't start.
it's fine, guys.
Someone come.
Oh, Kelly's on. Your cousin Kelly is on. Say hi, Kelly.
Hi.
Okay, hopefully that won't fall over. Good? Everybody in? If you want, you can scoot a little bit more, but if I move
Today
it
we're
again, it's
making clay monsters.
good. Cool. Okay. There you go. You guys are good.
Okay. So right now I'm going to start with making. What should I make? I'm gonna make a rock monster. That sounds cool. I'm going to make a. Let's see. A goat creature. So right now I'm working on the horns. Viewers. We don't have to do talking, so don't make anything yet. I'm getting nervous. So right now I'm starting on the horns of the goat. Right now I have
Talking to nobody.
Stop it, Steven. You're being so rude. So right now I'm making the horns of the goat creature.
Make sure your position
Right now I'm making the horns of the goat creature. For the start. I finished the horns and I'm on the legs. 4 legs.
Wait, I'm actually making a crab Pokemon now.
We're making monsters, not Pokemon.
I meant a crab creature, not a Pokemon.
My goat creature monster's gonna have a big tail.
They can't really see you. Scooter chair. There.
My goat creature's gonna have a big tail.
Right now I'm working on my crab creature's pincers.
So
She did.
who cares? So right now I'm almost done with my goat creature.
And I'm almost done with my crab creature's arm and his pincers.
Mom said hi, boys. So right now we're still making just clay creations. Here's my goat creature so far.
Jonathan, not that close. Right now, here's my crab pincer's arm. Jonathan. And I'm gonna give him another arm.
So right now we're making clay creations. I just made a goat creature. Nobody's on. Everybody did.
No, people are on. It just doesn't show how many viewers. Well, Mom's watching.
So right now I'm working on the head.
Hush. I need to break this.
I'm almost done.
And I'm gonna break it.
Okay, then.
It doesn't matter. It's just a little quack.
I'm almost done with
Mom
the
said
head.
great work.
Thanks, Mom. I
Wait,
finished
Mom
the
gave me
head. So
thumbs up and
here's
heart.
the head.
Wait, Mom
so
just
far.
said I can't see you, JJ. show up very close.
I did. Yeah. So here's my goat creature's head.
And now I'm working on my other crab pincher's arm. It took me a while because I needed a little more clay.
And
So I
he
had to break
destroy
one of
of
my-
his other creations.
No, one of my little duck creations to make the other part. It already dried up a little, so that's why it's a little hard.
Anyway.
I'll read the comments.
Julie, are you guys gonna...
We're on live. Well, shush. Sorry.
I'm listening.
I don't care.
I'll show you. Come over and show you my goat creature in 1 second.
I'm almost done with my other crab creature's arm. His other one.
Second arm. Here's my goat creature so far. 4 horns. He's pretty cool. He's got a little hump on his back.
Oh my gosh, I placed that right. Here's my 2 crab pincher's arms. Here's one of them. And now here's the other.
Excuse me. So we made a lot more cool creations. Here's my T-Rex on a platform.
Oh yeah, and I
I've
also
got some more drawing.
I
Here's
also
a turtle,
made
half turtle, half owl.
wait, I also
creature.
made these when we were just playing with the clay. Here's the house that you can't really see.
Yeah, that's awesome.
You guys having fun?
Yeah.
You commenting on
I'm
us.
having Keep
You
commenting on
want
it.
a real audience?
How do you make a real
How many viewers?
Mom was commenting. 0 viewers.
Mom was the only one on.
There are viewers. I'm on it still. So.
It just says 0.
I know. I don't know why it's doing that. It's not always perfect.
Yeah. So here's my half owl, half turtle creature.
I'm
So-
making a spiky crab creature.
Here's another goat creature that I made.
Thorns on
Oh.
him.
Pretty
Just like-
cool.
Just like a king crab.
It says I have to make worms.
Excellent.
My favorite foods. I did ice cream. Here's a double-headed serpent dragon creature.
And right
You'll be on Mama Loves Food, and maybe they can switch in just a minute. Okay.
wait, can I say
You need
something?
to plug in there.
Can you
This one.
Soon we're gonna be on Mama Loves Food.
We're gonna switch out.
To Mama Loves Food.
Can you guys be a little more real? Because you guys are embarrassing me. No, I still want to do this. I gotta finish this. So right now we're making clay creations. Tell me about me.
Oh yeah, Casey
I've got some drying
is
right now.
doing his work on the computer.
All right. Say bye-bye.
Bye.